Hello, let's welcome you to Lesson 6 of Mastering Java. Here we're going to continue working with if statements, continuing to introduce you to the richness of these statements. Here we're going to discuss the if-else-if ladder. So we've already discovered if statements and what they're useful for. We've already talked about the else part of that, which can be executed as a kind of a last resort. If you fall through the if statement, the else statement will always trigger. But there's also kind of a little more richness to the if that we can actually get into here. So let's get into that now. Let's declare a character variable called grade. And let's say that that's equal to A right now. All right, so we'll just go ahead and declare a variable. This is the grade that I received on my report card, let's say. So obviously I've done well, so I've got an A. And so let's put an if statement here. Let's do if the grade is equal to A. And we can just put this right on the line right here, but just to make it a little clear, let's go ahead and put the single guy that we're going to do in this if right underneath it. We can say system.out.println, and we could say you earned an A, fantastic job. Something like that. It's the best you can possibly do. Now again, it's only one statement that we're triggering when we earn an A. We could put braces around it. I could put a curly brace here and a curly brace here, of course, but that kind of clutters things up. I could also, if I wanted to, just to remind you, I could put it right here. That's perfectly fine too. But for this, we're just going to leave it down below. Now, since we actually earned an A, we run it. You earned an A, fantastic job. Now, of course, if we didn't earn an A, what if we earn a B, okay? Then do you think that's going to execute or not? Well, of course it's not, because this only triggers if the grade is actually equal to A. And so if I run it in this case, nothing happens. The program's over. We jumped over the if and we're done. So let me